Good morning, children. Myself, Priti Bhagat. Today we are going to discuss some basic things about our nation. We are going to discuss about India's national symbols. Being Indian, we must know the basic national symbols of India. So today we are going to know basic symbols of India. India's national symbols includes national flag of India. First of all, we are going to discuss about national flag of India. The national flag of India is called Tiranga because it has three colors. The national flag of India has three horizontal strips: saffron, white and green. The uppermost color is saffron, and then comes white, and the last is green. So dear children, in the center is a small chakra. You can see the small chakra here. So in the center is a small chakra or wheel with 24 spokes. There are 24 spokes in the Ashok chakra. The first Indian flag was made using khadi cloth. Each color in the flag has a special significance. The saffron color stands for courage, sacrifice and the spirit of renunciation. The white for peace and truth, and the green for faith and chivalry. Next comes national emblem. The state emblem of India was adapted from the Sarnath line capital from King Ashoka. It was adopted on January 26, 1950, the day India was declared a republic. There are 4 lions standing back to back, and an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull and a lion underneath. So if you observe this emblem carefully, you will be able to see all these animals on it, and Satyamev Jayate is written under the emblem. Here comes national anthem. Jana Gana Mana is India's national anthem. It was written by poet Rabindranath Tagore. The complete song consists of 5 stanzas. The first stanza out of 5 stanzas of the song forms the national anthem. We are singing only the first stanza, and the national anthem should be completed in 52 seconds, and the timing of the national anthem should be 52 seconds, and we all are every day singing this national anthem in the prayer also, so you all are aware about it. Next comes Indian national song. Children, national anthem and national song are different things. National anthem is Jana Gana Mana and national song is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is India's national song composed by Bankim Chandra, and national anthem is composed by Sri Rabindranath Tagore. This song appears in Bengali novel Anand Math, from where this song has been taken from Anand Math. Vande Mataram was a source of inspiration to our countrymen in their struggle for freedom. And our national bird is peacock. Yes, you are right, it is peacock. The peacock is national bird of India. A peacock is a symbol of grace, joy, beauty and love. In Hinduism, the peacock is represented as the god of thunder, rains and war. So dear children, remember, national bird of India is peacock. Now here comes national flower. The national flower of India is the lotus. The flower represents long life, honor and good fortune. Untouched by the impurity of growing in mud, the flower is meant to symbolize the purity of heart and mind. Hindus relate it to their almighty Vishnu, Brahma, Lakshmi and Saraswati, who are often depicted sitting upon this flower. Dear children, ये कीचड़ में उगता है, फिर भी इसे कोई भी गंदगी नहीं लगती और अनटच्ड बाय द इम्प्योरिटी ऑफ ग्रोइंग इन मड, इसलिए इसे नेशनल फ्लावर का जो है दर्जा दिया गया है. हेयर कम्स नेशनल फ्रूट. द मैंगो इज़ द नेशनल फ्रूट ऑफ इंडिया. वी ऑल लव टू ईट मैंगोज. यू ऑल आर एंजॉइंग इट और नॉट? या. So it has been cultivated for thousands of years, and there are over 100 different color, shapes and sizes, right? And here comes India's national tree. Which is the national tree of India? It is banyan tree. Yes, the banyan tree is the national tree of India. It has the widest reaching roots out of all known trees. The tree can live for a very long time period, right? So it is India's national tree, banyan tree. And the last is national animal. The national animal of India is the magnificent creature called the Bengal tiger. It is found throughout the India, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh also. The tiger was chosen as the national animal of India due to its grace, strength, agility and enormous. Dear children, so these are the national symbols of India which I thought you must know. Thank you. फिर मिलेंगे नए टॉपिक के साथ.